This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
I don't wanna go to school today. Hey, Blue, come over here. I am scared there will not be up there. I have a trick to show you. Don't be scared. Magic remote control. Can make as many you as you want. Magic remote control.
Wow! Yes! Good job!
Let's go! Red shark, hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello. Turn around and show your fin. Red shark, hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello. Turn around and show your fin. Red shark, hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello. Come on, show us how you swim. Red shark, shark, shark. Red shark, shark, shark. Blue, blue, Larry must be my friend. My friend is blue.
Wow!
Oh no, what is happening? I'm so sad. My colors are gone. Help me out. Colors, colors of the world. Orange, red, and yellow. Colors, colors of the world. Green, pink,
Fantastic.
blue, a rainbow.
Let's go!
For some music, grab
No.
a mic. La 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 la. This doesn't sound nice. Uh-oh, where is my lovely mouth? I was singing and now it's gone. Help me, help me, help
Hooray!
me, please. I lost my pretty mouth.
Wow!
Have you seen it?
Ah!
Is this your mouth? No, no, no. It doesn't look like
Goodbye.
mine at all.
Wow!
Playing with mud is so much fun. Hey, stop. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Where is the water hose? Here I come. I will catch you. Run, run, run. Oh.
Wow!
Du-du-du-du-du.
Wow! Wow!
Times by mistake. We do things that
Aha.
are not right, and we continue our day, thinking everything is okay. What is that sound? Hello, over here. I know what's wrong. You have to be more careful. Ice cream, yummy ice cream. I love to eat it every day. Ice cream, yummy ice cream. It's my
Wow!
favorite dessert. Chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, or caramel. It's my favorite dessert. Ice cream, cold and fresh. Cupcakes, pie.
Great!
Are the best. Pink, pink, pink. Yada, yada, yada. Block, block, block. Yuppie, yuppie, yeah.
Wow!
My pretty pink painting won't wear
Yeah!
long, and you're not pretty
fantastic!
I like pink.
Wow!
Humpty Dumpty, you're so cute. Humpty Dumpty, peekaboo. Humpty Dumpty's jumping around up really high and on the ground. Bouncing, bouncing everywhere. I will catch you in the
Wow!
He's breaking the storm, making a mess everywhere we go.
Wow!
I can use my magic wand, make everything super wow. Ooh la la, magic wand, make me big and super wow. Yay! Huh? I'm so big, it's
Wow!
like a dream. Blue, blue color must be my friend. My friend is
Wow!
blue. Peekaboo. Oh no, what is happening? I'm so sad. My colors are gone. Help me out. Colors, colors of the world. Orange, red, and yellow. Colors, colors of the world. Green, green, blue, It's so scary. Oh no. Oopsie, baby. You're having an emergency. Oopsie, what happened to me? Something wrong in my pants. Let's change your.
Yeah.
I'm going to fly in the sky with my pet by my side.
Your fluffy friend needs a carrier to be safe for the flight.
Oh no no, oh no no, Kitty is running away.
Yeah.
Fluffy friend, I love you. In your
Ew. Let's go. Wow.
baby, that needs our help.
Whoa.
Little baby, something is wrong. He won't stop crying. Ew, 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 don't worry.
Wow.
I can use my magic wand, make everything big and super round. Ooh la la, magic wand, make me big and super wow. Yay! Huh? I'm so big, it's like a dream. Everything is so
Whoa.
tiny around me. BBT, la 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 la. I love my balloon. I love my balloon. It's so pretty and it's mine, my lovely green balloon.
Good job.
go! Wow! Wow! Yes! Good job!
Wow.
Orange, red, yellow. Colors of the world. Green, pink, blue, a rainbow. Colors, colors.
Yes! Let's go! A-L-I-C-E, Alice. Good job!
Someone wanted to rush off before we got all the information. But if I had to guess,
Mama Duck says there's no tall grass.
that would be my guess.
Let's go, Lilybuds. We have to help Mama Duck and her future ducklings.
It looks bad, but tastes good. Hey, where did everybody go?
Oh! Good morning, Robin. Might you have an extra egg in that nest? I have a sudden urge to make muffins. Yes, I'll look elsewhere. Cheers.
What? 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 No tall grass. What? No tall grass. Don't worry, I speak duck. Let me handle this. Mama Duck. Quack. What? Are you a duck in a fancy disguise? Mama Duck, why haven't you made your nest? Spring came early. The tall grasses haven't grown yet. I need them to hide my eggs.
Well, we can fix that in a blooming jiffy. You look worn out. Why don't you go and rest under that tree?
And I'll go with you. So, what names have you picked out for the babies?
Junior, Junior 2, and Fuzz.
We've got to work fast. We all know who might want a duck egg. Tall grasses coming up.
Definitely safe in here.
Whoa! Ouch! Pond reeds are sharp. How could I forget that? I'm hopeless.
No, you're not. You just need a reminder system. Here, it's a forget-me-not flower. When I want to remember something, I wear one.
Thank you, Lilac.
Phew. Mama Duck has hidden all 6 of her eggs. I bet you can't find even one.
Found one! Here's 2 more. Thank goodness. Now Mama Duck can sit on her eggs safely, and before she knows it, they'll hatch. Huh? Uh-oh, she's quacking again.
Oh, I haven't any food. What? Must get food.
Lilybirds, while Mama Duck is off getting food, we need to set up a nest to keep them warm. Find the other eggs. Try hugging the egg. But not too hard.
3, 4, 5. Where's the 6th egg?
Thistle, stay here with the eggs. The rest of us will search. That egg couldn't have rolled far.
You really think I can learn to make bread like you, Chef Thorne? Yes, it's simple. First, you need the dough. Now you try. Put some flour on your paws so it won't stick.
Sorry.
Thistle, I see you've taken up egg sitting. How wonderful. Roll one over here. I'll sit on it a while.
No way, Ellery. We promised Mama Duck to keep these safe.
You Lilybuds are such do-gooders. What's one little egg? She's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6. The others are out looking for the missing...
I just remembered. I have to go. Goodbye.
Spring flowers all look alike. Oh, I'm as lost as that poor egg. I better get help. I don't want to forget where the egg is. Okay, pink petunias and purple pansies. Got it.
Breakfast is served.
I found the missing egg. Follow me. It's right over here. Or was it over there?
Oh no, Daff. Did you already forget where you saw the egg?
Pink petunias and purple pansies. It's over there.
The empty egg-shaped spot?
With the paw prints leading away from it?
The track's end. Where did he go?
I think I know.
Hi, Ellery. May we come in?
It's not really a good time. I'm grooming my pet caterpillar.
We'll just be a minute. Ellery, this egg does not belong to you. It belongs to a friend of ours.
I'm sorry, have we met?
Forget it, Ellery. You know who we are and why we're here.
Yes, I do. And it pains me to say this, but it's my house, so you all have to leave.
Is that a self-portrait?
Yes, I call it Chipmunk in Blue.
It's so blue and lifelike. The fur looks almost real.
Oh, thank you, fellow art lover. Yes, it's true. I completely captured my chipmunkness in all its playful glory. Note the eyes, so sly. The paws, so elegant. Huh? Get back here, you lilybuds!
No, I can't do this by myself.
Give me back my egg, you do-gooders!
Pass it to me! Who's gonna grab the egg?
Give me back my egg!
It hatched. We saved it. You saved it, Daffodil. That was quick thinking. Thank you, Rose. And thank you, Lilac, for my forget-me-nots. I know I'll never forget this day.
My baby!
You should have seen it, Thorn. Those ducklings were so cute.
Rose, you know I don't do cute.
Who wants fresh baked bread? This bread looks just like Thorn.
That bread is a work of art. Bucky, that's some loaf of bread. Hang on, that's my arm. And those are my legs.